So I had a company gift me this Hall Tree bench. Now, this isn't just a bench. Obviously, it is also for shoe storage. So this comes in super convenient because you can literally take your shoes out, put them on by sitting on this nice bench. Up above me, there are 8 different hooks. There is a bar that goes across that you can hang stuff on, and there is a shelf up above. Everything is built very well. This was a super easy build. It took me nearly no time at all to get it built. Probably one of the easiest things I've ever built, to be honest. But even though it was easy to build, it holds together very well. The bracing on this just makes it very structurally sound. They also provide hardware for you to be able to attach it to the wall if you wanted it fixed to your wall. Now, the wood part of this does have a very nice wood grain look to it, and the framing on this is all metal and it's all powder coated. It's a nice flat black finish on this. Now, you do have 2 different shelves down below that you can put your shoes on, giving you a lot of space. The whole unit is 41.5 inches long by 15 inches wide and 72 inches tall. So this is a big storage rack that really has a lot of functionality to it. So all in all, if you're looking for a storage unit that can not only accommodate your coats, but it can accommodate your shoes and accommodate your butt, you may want to consider this one.